everyone, I'm here today with an Ulta haul. I have, I'll show you, a baby right here. He usually is really good at napping in the morning. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna film, this is gonna be great. Well, today he doesn't want to nap, except for now he's falling asleep on my arm. So we're gonna do an Ulta haul today. I just filmed a Sephora haul, so make sure you're subscribed so you can see that. These are some things I picked up at Ulta recently. I think I have a couple things, one thing from Target and then one thing from Fawn Beauty. So, or a couple things from Fawn Beauty. So let's get into it. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button and let's get right into my Ulta haul. First thing is this Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals Morphe palette. I've actually worn this quite a bit. I really love the mattes. The shimmers, I wish there was like a little bit more variety in the shimmers, but they are really beautiful. I've used this one a few times and this one, but the mattes are really, really nice. So I've gotten a lot of use out of that. If you like a really good neutrals palette, the mattes are great. The shimmers are good too, but I just wish that there was like a better variety of like depth to it, because there's a lot of really dark ones, pretty dark tones except for this one. So I wish there was just like a little bit more variety, because these are pretty similar. I'll swatch a couple of them. You can see like those are pretty darn similar, but the mattes are really beautiful. You can see there, very creamy, very blendable. I've really enjoyed that palette. I use it all the time, specifically the mattes, and then sometimes I'll go in with like a different shimmer for my lid. Today I'm wearing the Gone Matte palette from ColourPop, and then I have this color right here from the Sparkler ColourPop little quad. I have this one on my lid. It's very pretty. Okay, next I got these Drunk Elephant De Bronzy drops. And I got these because my friend Sam was telling me about them. She said she mixes them with her sunscreen and it gives like a really nice like bronze look to the skin if you were to do like a no makeup look, or to wear under your makeup. It just kind of like bronzes up the skin, especially if you self-tan and then like your self-tanner on your face like wears off. It kind of just adds some warmth back to your skin without necessarily needing to self-tan your face. So anyways, I got those. I have not tried those yet, but I'm really excited to give them a go. Isn't this sweater cute? I got it from Vici. It's like very out of my comfort zone as far as colors, but I'm a big fan. These I did not buy, but you can get them at Ulta and I've really been liking them. It's these Pretty Fresh powders. I use the shade Fair 4 for under my eyes to set my eyes. It's a great powder. I've really, really enjoyed this powder. So also, if you want to know the rest of the stuff on my face, it's mostly things that I got from that Sephora sale. So I'll leave it up here. I'll put that video up first, so you can go watch that, because I go over like everything that's on my face and it's all from that Sephora haul. But this is the shade Fair 4, and then I use Light 8 all over my face. And they sent me quite a few shades, but these are the ones that I have been reaching for. And you can get them at Ulta. Really, really nice powder. It's a powder foundation. I just use a big fluffy brush just to set the tackiness of my foundation. But if you wanted to use it as a powder foundation, you can do that too. Okay, I have these two concealers. I mixed actually this concealer in vanilla with an Ilia concealer that I showed in my Sephora haul. That's what's under my eyes. Really, really beautiful. I have the shade Light and the shade Vanilla. And I actually really like these. They're very hydrating under the eyes. I have pretty dry under eyes. And it just gives like a really pretty hydrated under eye look. So they've been hyped up on TikTok. I get why. They're absolutely stunning. I picked up a Clinique High Impact Mascara. I remember loving this mascara back in the day. I don't know if it's been reformulated though, because I feel like it's not as good as I remember it. Don't you hate that? Like when you remember really loving a like product and then you try it again years later and it just doesn't work the same. That's kind of how I feel. Oh, I thought my hair was doing weird stuff, but it's my flowers in the back. Anyways, so I picked that up. It's not as good as I remember it. Just gonna say that. I also picked up 2 of these Stila little glitter and glow. Mine have all dried out, and I've been really into like shimmery, glittery things on my eyes. So these are repurchases in Rose Gold Retro and Kitten Karma. The bad thing is they do dry out pretty quickly if you don't make sure that the lid is on really well. I used to have all the shades and then a lot of them dried up, but the Kitten Karma is like one of my favorites. So this one is Kitten Karma, and then that's the rose gold one. And they just have like really pretty sparkle in them. There are like dupes for those. The e.l.f. makes really good ones. I have a couple of those. I also have these e.l.f. Little shimmery things. This one is called Moon. Now I like to wear this and then put like a glitter topper over it. These I think I actually got at Target, but if I can find them at Ulta, I can link them too. But that one is Moon. It's a really pretty cream shadow, and it kind of gives you that like wet metallic look. It's really pretty. This one is called Copper Pop. This one I think is one of the glitter ones. So you can see like, that one's Copper Pop. Really pretty. This one is Comet. I think this one is just one of the metallic shimmers. Oh, that's so pretty. And then Dirty Martini, I think is what this one's called. Yeah, Dirty Martini. And this one is kind of like an olivey color, which every once in a while I like to do a color like this on my lid. Focus. There you go. So really pretty. If you like glittery top coat things, like glittery cream shadows, I think you'll like those. This was also Target. I love press-on nails. These ones are from Target too. These are the Olive and June. That's on my nails now. But then I loved the color of these ones. Come on. I loved the color of these ones. Just really pretty neutral ombre look. So those were Target. Okay, the rest is definitely Ulta. So I picked up 2 of these because I saw Tara Babies talking about these. These are the Too Faced Lady Bold lip liners. I have Badass and Limitless Life. I have this color on the inner part of my lips, the Badass color on the inner part of my lips, and then I have Wherever Walnut on the like outer border. And then this one is, so this one's Limitless Life and that one's Badass. You can tell that Limitless Life is a little bit more rosy brown. But I like these. They are like a click up pencil too. And I heard there's not a lot of product in them, so you kind of go through them quickly. All right, Anastasia came out with a bunch of new lip liners and lipsticks. So I purchased way too many of them. I'll swatch them all for you. I also swatched these on Instagram too. But so this first one is Parchment. And it's kind of like a reddish brown, like a deeper reddish brown nude. Then I got, what is this one? Hazelnut. This one's like a little bit more of a cooler toned brown nude. And then we have Sunbaked. This one's a warmer kind of pinky nude. That's Sunbaked. And then Deep Taupe. This one's pretty brown. That one I'm a little unsure of. It's pretty dark brown. Definitely look different in the store. And then this one is Warm Taupe. Right there. So those are the liners I got, and then I got a ton of the lipsticks. So I'll start swatching those. This one is Praline, right there. Super pretty, nice, kind of like warmer, deeper nude. Then we have Tease, right there. Beautiful lighter nude. I really like Tease. That's probably one of my favorites. Then we have Taupe Beige. This is another favorite of mine. Taupe Beige. The formula is really nice on these. Soft Brown in store, so clearly I went home with most of them. Then we have Peach Amber. This one was like out of my comfort zone, but really pretty. Peach Amber. Warm Peach. Right here. A little bit lighter, oops. Okay, Warm Peach is right there. And then the last one is Haze. This one's like really, really nude. Super pretty. So I picked those up from Ulta too, and they're just so beautiful. And then the last thing is from Fawn Beauty. I heard about this company from my friend Sam. We like are always influencing each other to buy stuff, and she was like, oh, you have to try this lip gloss in a moment. It's so pretty. It's actually what's on my lips. I'll put a little bit more on. Fawn Beauty is like an independent, like small business. And so I purchased like their nudes lip bundle. So this one is in a moment, and they feel really nice on the lips. Like that is a beautiful kind of like peachy nude. Love the way they feel. This one is called a basic, a little bit darker, more warm peach color. A couple of them didn't have like the sticker on them, so I don't know what color this one is. But isn't that pretty? It's kind of like a cooler toned brownie nude. And then this one is called a nude. And again, this was just her nudes bundle. That one's really pretty too. They just make your lips look so nice and juicy. And then the last one again doesn't have a shade. So I don't know what this one is called. The sticker, they forgot to put the sticker on. But this is the nudes bundle. Really pretty, very happy with these lip glosses. They feel nice, they're not sticky, they're very plushy feeling on the lips. And Sam has been loving them. So I was like, I gotta get them. So that's what's on my lips. But that is it for my Ulta haul. This was way faster and way quicker than my Sephora haul. That one is a long video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you want to see baby Lincoln, he is in the Sephora video quite a bit because he didn't want to nap, but now he's napping peacefully. So we'll see if I can put him in his rocker and see if I can knock out another video or two. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.